Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Pocket Friendly Outdoors, proof you don't have to spend big money for good outdoor gear. And today, we're going to be focused on this lovely piece of narcissistic gear. So, these things, these selfie sticks, were pretty prevalent for a long time. I don't see them too often anymore. But every once in a while, I do see them now. And it's usually people on vacation, that sort of thing. I took a little vacation up north, and I saw exactly one of these things, so good times. I picked this one up at our local thrift store for a whole $1. And predictably, it doesn't work. I was expecting that for $1. But I didn't buy it to use it as a selfie stick. Oh no. I bought it to use this as a pocket bellows. Now, pocket bellows came out, I want to say about 10 or 15 years ago. And for what they are, they're pretty overpriced. A pocket bellows that would be about the size of this thing when it's folded out, you're not going to get for under 10 bucks. All right, but we're going to turn this one into one. So to do this, you're going to need a pair of pliers. I have my multi-tool. And we're going to need some of this silver tape that's used in ductwork, a pair of scissors. So let's get into it. First thing to do is we're going to, yep, looks like somebody had already messed with this one time before. Usually there is a small circuit board. Yep, there's the wires. Yep, there we go. There's that stuff. We don't need any of that no more. Cut that free. And we're going to take, let's see if I can roll this jacket right off. There we go. You can see there's a little button right there. So we are going to use our multi-tool. And we're going to cut. There's some tape here holding these wires and everything in place. Because this, since it does not work, is garbage anyway. We are upcycling a piece of garbage, and it's only going to cost us $1 and a little bit of time. There we go. Okay, so we got that all stripped. Next, we're going to try to get this off of here. Might have to just cut that off. Okay. That's what I think I'm going to do. I think we're just going to cut this off. Alright, give me a moment to clean up this mess. We got that all off. I'm going to use the awl and see if I can get in here. Because what we want to do is we want to get this plastic out of here. Along with this. That's out. Let's see if we can get in here. Because if we can break this plastic into a few pieces, I should be able to get it out, because it's got these little points here where it's kind of wedged in there. Let's see what we can do. It's coming. Alright, let me see if I can grab a hold of that. You have to get in here and drill a little bit to get that plastic out. We're gonna see. That little bit of plastic is giving me a hard time. But you just gotta keep at it. Eventually, it's all gonna come out. I think I saw it move for a brief moment. Yep, I think I'm going to have to take this out into the workshop and drill. So I will be right back in a moment. I was able to drill enough of this out to where I got it to where I can... There we go. So now I got all the plastic out of there. We got nothing but metal left. Alright. So now for our next step, we're going to take some of this reflective tape. I'm going to cut a few pieces. Just like that. And we're going to put it around this end here so I don't accidentally push this end all the way through when it's collapsed. Because if you do that, you're likely not to get it back out. Ask me how I know that. This isn't the first one I've done, but I learned quite a bit from the first one. First one was a bit of a disaster. The reason we're using this metal tape is because it is, I'm not saying it's fireproof, but it's very heat resistant. It can take a lot of abuse. And if you're sticking this end into some coals to blow them up, you get your fire going, this is going to get pretty hot. And whatever you put on here, you don't want to come off easily. Alright. Alright. So there's our end. When we collapse this down, it stops right there. Alright. Now last, you can do one of two things. You can put this sleeve back on here, okay? Or you could get some electrical tape and put it around the end here. And the reason you want to do that is this end has some sharp edges and it's all metal. If you were using this outdoors and it was like really cold out, you run the risk of getting your lips stuck to this think of that kid in A Christmas Story and his tongue on the metal pole. Okay? I'm just going to go ahead and unroll this. I'm going to try to, and we're going to stick it back on. I got this turned right side out again. I'm just going to shimmy this on here. And I want this to overlap this end just about that much. So when I put my mouth on here, after I wash it, I'm going to wash and disinfect this real good. And last but not least, I'm going to take this this sticker off here. Not for any particular reason other than I don't like looking at it. Because this is no longer a monopod selfie stick. This is now a pocket Bellows. There we go. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna have to get some stuff here to get that sticky off. We have our pocket Bellows made. Now, fully extended. Okay, fully extended. I measured this from end to end. This sucker is 37.5 inches. That's 95.25 centimeters. That's almost a full meter. Now, this is going to keep your face out of the fire, out of the coals, and allow you to blow up. And it does work really well. You know. So let's go make a fire and try it out. We have a little fire going here. It's floundering a bit. We're going to use our pocket Bellows that we made to get it going. Just like that. And you can keep at it, get it going good from different angles. There we go. No more nasty smoke, and now it's burning good. Just like that, for $1, pocket Bellows. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope you all have a great evening out in those woods over there. Maybe around a campfire, making great memories. Thank you for watching.